So I have with me Janvi, who has just played a tremendous game, who's aced everything, thrown at them from the Mavericks, and they've triumphed at 15-11. So Janvi, just like how the scoreline suggests again, just like how we've spoken in the past, this was a little tough encounter.
It was. We thought it would be a little bit easier, to be honest, but we came back like we always do.
So what was that? Where did you think you made that little plans wrong? Mavericks started with a serve. So why was that? I mean,
I think, honestly, I made a couple of unforced errors initially, but then I slowed down my game and it got better. As you know, my teammates already been doing great in all of the matches, so I think he took up a lot of the pressure.
absolutely. When you go into a game, you have plan A, you have plan B, you have plan C. Often do you guys speak about changing the plan, and how well are you guys communicating with each other to, make sure that you both stick to the same plan, because here we saw, a couple of your backhand shots were going to the net, and especially your running forehand winners were also not falling in place.
Yeah, like I said, I did make a lot of those unforced errors initially, but I think I was fine towards the end. This game, yes, we did switch it up a little bit because the previous one we didn't do the shifting of positions, but we did that this time, and I think it worked out for us. Also, I think that was a little bit new, which is why we were off our game in the beginning, but we caught our... we did it finally, so I think it's fine. We just switched up a little bit of our game plan.
All that matters is, what Teramo Titans, they've won. They've shown that they can come back from any situation, go ahead and win. So all the best, Janvi, and all the best for your team for the final as well.
Thank you so much.